Guess what, guys? Got a brand new pack of cards. Not even opened. Label still on it. Just got it. Alright, so let's open this deck. This is the bicycle standard deck, and the red ones. The new box design on it. I like the new. I don't really like the new box design, but it's still pretty cool. Here's the box. I like the feel of it. Yeah. Air cushion finish on the side. Made in USA. United come to play. Bicycle cards. It has a black label on it. Black label. US playing cards. Trusted since 1885 on it. Alright, so let's get the label off here. Still trying to get the label off. It's pretty hard, actually. The label on it says all kinds of stuff. Cool stuff. First time opening. Just got them. Oh, I like these cards. Advertisement card. Another advertisement card. Oh, I like this advertisement card. Never seen an advertisement card like that, but pretty cool. Oh, they spread pretty. Smell pretty good. You got your two jokers. Your regular joker. And you got your guaranteed joker. Putting those back in the box. And then you got your normal ace of spades. Oh no. They're freaking awesome. Never had a bicycle deck before. Till now. They're really hard, like, to use so far. Like I'm broken in. They shuffle really nice. Spread freaking awesome. Yep. Well, that is my deck review on the Rider Bat. Oh, this is the standard deck, not the Rider deck. Pretty freaking awesome, if you guys ask me. These are the cards I had before my bicycle deck, and they was okay for about 2 weeks, and then they got destroyed pretty fast. So there's the, yeah, they're all really multicolored queens compared to other cards I have. Yeah, I like these cards all in all. But the pips, I just don't like the small pips. But that doesn't bother me, because I really don't do much fans anymore. I really don't do much fans because I'm not good right now. I gotta practice, but all in all, they're freaking amazing. So, I hope you guys like my review on the bicycle. Standard deck. They're pretty cool. Try to get them. They're only about $4. They're $4 at Walmart. Surprising, huh? You never really see bicycle cars at Walmart. $4. $4. Yeah, so I hope you like it, please. Thanks, and goodbye.